I mean, relatively, the program was fun. It was kind of different from other workshops since
Yeah, the workshop is very fun. At first, I felt a bit shy, but then like I grew on with it, and it's actually pretty fun.
we got to learn about like hard skills, soft skills. It helped us choose, or like make our future more clear, and yeah, helped us understand us ourselves and have a clearer future.
My favorite activity from this workshop was probably the SMART goals with the bucket list and such because I had a fun time presenting it, and it was very fun and entertaining to see the rest of my friends talk about their bucket list as well.
I guess we got to know what they want to do, at least in our group, more specifically.
I got to know like everyone else's like dream jobs and stuff because I never really asked like at least like most of them what their dream career is. I always just assumed they had the same careers as they did in like first grade.
It didn't really change, but it made me look further and made me sure on it.
I'm gonna get money. Really gonna enjoy my job, making games and stuff. So yeah, and hopefully my friends join me.
I think that like I might be a whole different person in the future, or maybe even like not. Like you never really know. But I think this class actually like helped me to get to know my current like dream job. But you know, like I mentioned earlier, you never know. And I might end up being a whole different person. But you know, I'm kind of grateful that this class helped me to know that. It's like the first step.